So we have an off gassing valve in the back, flat bottom, easy to store. Our old school bags back in the old days, you used to have to tear the top off and had a 10 tie you rolled back down to put it on. Those were a real labor intensive, putting 10 ties on bags.
Yeah.
We used to do that all the time. So, but this bag has a pull tab right here. So the other thing that this bag has, improvement in the 21st century, is a pull tab. So you pull this tab here, just like this, and it goes off, and you now have a zipper. So it's a resealable bag. So that's super important. So these are all basic things that people know about our bags. You're like, oh, geez, why am I wasting my time learning about this? So one thing we wanted to talk about was the pull tab. So nothing's perfect. These are coffee bags made in bulk, mass. And sometimes things happen. And we had a customer email us in and said, my pull tab went bad. I want you to reship me like $300 worth of coffee. What? No. So my reaction to customer service was, for some reason I was doing customer service that day, was use a pair of scissors. And the customer emailed back, said, I'm never buying your coffee ever again. So I was like, holy smokes. Like, I didn't quite understand. So this, I really wanted to clarify what happens on on one of these bags where you don't have to cut the top off like this. And luckily I brought a pair of scissors to show you exactly how this is supposed to be done. So if you have a pull tab that goes bad, which could happen like one out of like every nothing, but it does happen once in a while. So let's just say your pull tab broke, just like this. Your pull tab's broken. If you notice in here, the pull tab is not attached to the seal. It's actually above the seal. So all you have to do is put your scissors in here carefully between the seal and the bag, just like this, and just give it a little cut, just like this. See how easy it is? I can't even see it. It's facing away from me and I can still do it. It's not hard. And then voila, the seal works just like this. You don't have to cut the top off, and we're not saying it to be mean or a butthead. Really, that's how all you have to do is just use a little pair of scissors and go there. And if you don't have a pair of scissors and you need a pair of scissors, we'll send you a pair from Amazon. If it's that big of a problem, you tell us. Like, I can't open my coffee because I don't have a pair of scissors. Maybe we'll donate a pair of scissors to you.
Exactly.
Seems reasonable.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, the point is we want people to be able to open their coffee. We don't want mad customers because that doesn't help us. It doesn't help the customer. And we want customers to have a positive experience.
Yeah.
Bags are bags, though. It's just how it is. They're mass-produced coffee bags.
Yeah, exactly.
And we want
it
you. It
happens. Yeah.
Yeah, and we want you to get the product out of the coffee bag and put it in your coffee brewer, so then you can brew it and then you can get some more coffee.
Yeah, it's very easy. I actually had that happen to me not too long ago, a few weeks ago. So yeah, you just cut right into it. It's very simple, and then you can still keep the seal.
It's frustrating, but
yeah,
it's not like a life or death. I'm never going to drink Koffee Kult situation, I don't think.
No, I wouldn't think so.
I mean, it could be. I mean, maybe. If the bag is smarter than you, possibly you don't want to have that bag around anymore.
Yeah, exactly. But mostly it's
pretty
simple. It's straightforward.
simple.
Yeah.